Hello, everyone. I'm John, and today I want to talk about you there. I want to talk to you about the holy grail of marketing online. For me to do that, let me show you this platform and why I think it's the holy grail of marketing. One, you will get all this information for free for you. Once you logging into this, you have a free 14-day trial, and is the holy grail of marketing online. It all lies on traffic. If you understand traffic online, then you can sell anything online. So, if you want to understand traffic, you have two courses that are here for free. You have this ad skills and traffic secrets. Let us look at one of them, or even both of them, and we see what is in the what which is contained in these courses and why are they the holy grail of marketing. So this is how they look in fact. Stop hanging. My laptop is hanging. I'm sorry for that. So this is ad skills, and it's a course about ad advertising. You will learn everything on how to run YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, uh, GDN, what they call Google Display Network ads, LinkedIn ads, Twitter ads, landing pages. We will also learn about native ads and how to track all this information and traffic traps and marketing. And you will also learn how to do market research the right way. It's an amazing course. I suggest you go do it. And if you're interested in all this information, you're going to get a free 14-day trial. So the link is in the description. In is in the description of my channel. So please look for it and go check it out and learn all this information. Trust me, it's the best thing that you will ever do, and it's all for free. This whole course was being charged over $1,000. So it's information I would ask you to read like you paid $1,000 for it, because it is worth more than that, and it is very powerful. Even traffic secrets is also the same. It also teaches you so much about uh, how to lay the foundation, market discovery, copywriting secrets, keyword science, marketing, borrowing traffic, shopping engines, traffic formulas, buying media and sponsorships, Google ads, podcasts, mobile app marketing, software and widgets, Facebook ads, traffic retargeting, international opportunities, social media strategies, traffic recycling, Google SEO, and building a content factory. All this information is free for you. You have a free 14-day trial. I can't even believe that ClickPanels would actually give this away, give all this information away for free. I don't know what you're waiting for, guys. If you had problems before running traffic ads, and if you had the problem getting people to view your content or getting people to into you to buy whatever it is that you're selling, this is the best way possible to do it. And trust me, people who follow these processes are making millions and millions of dollars. So it's very highly valuable. So take action, take it today. So make sure you show up, make sure you stay motivated, and if you like this, if you like all the content that I'm giving you, please like and subscribe to my channel. And see you on to the next, see you in the next video.